I just wanted to wish everybody a happy and safe winter break. Be excited when we return in 2021 because we should be in store for a year without quite all the things that you've had to deal with so far this year. When this whole COVID thing started last spring, or really at the end of last winter and went into spring, a lot was said about the pandemic, namely that it's most dangerous for people with health issues, and it impacted folks, of course, that were older or elderly. And thinking about it now, I'm not certain that that really is the only case. Any of you that might have family members or whatever that has dealt with COVID, my thoughts are with you. But my thoughts are also with you, the students, because I think COVID has had a big impact in ways that maybe not directly affected your physical health. I think COVID is a disease, or an illness, not a disease. It is an outbreak which has greatly impacted us in ways that maybe we haven't thought about. I feel like COVID's reach has not just been health, but I think COVID's reach has impacted our young people, students like you, in your ability to focus on school. As we wrap up 2020, I think we need to consider ways that we can vaccinate ourselves against the impact of COVID on you personally as a student. Please, please, please make an effort to communicate with your teachers to let them know if you've been having struggles so that we can take that into consideration when we're looking at your grades, or we can take that into consideration when we are trying to determine whether or not we will accept late assignments from you. Communicate with us. Secondly, don't let this illness get to you in terms of your willingness to continue to work and to achieve in school to the best of your ability. Rise up with this illness, rise up with this COVID and beat it. Make every effort that you can to pick up the pieces of your grades by completing missing work, by making up everything that you're allowed to make up. Those of you that are doing great in school, keep it going. We may be remote for a few more weeks. Don't give up. Don't let this disease bring you down at this point. You are there. I mean, we're having a fireside chat. There is light at the end of this tunnel. We can beat this thing together through communication, through your effort. We can vaccinate ourselves against this pandemic in terms of school. We can always look at winter break a couple of ways because the word break has multiple meanings. Break can be an opportunity. You've earned a break. You received a break. Well, use this break as an opportunity to catch back up in school if you've fallen behind. The word break also means to snap apart or no longer work. Don't let that definition of break impact you. Rather, don't let COVID break you. Work very hard from the very get-go of winter break so that maybe toward the end of this break, you can have the third meaning of break and rest a few days before we resume on January 4th. Once again, thank you for all of your efforts. I look forward to those of you that have missing assignments to get these assignments turned in. Thank you for watching this fireside chat. It's been a blessing to get to meet all of you so far this year, and I look forward to great things to come as we head into 2021. Have a great break.